Hey guys, today we're going to be programming a 2018 Toyota Tundra. We have the original key here. We got another spare key here. We're going to go to vehicle remote and we're going to type the GQ4 and it's 52T and that's it. And then we're gonna find a Tundra around here, Toyota Camry. As you can see, we'll see if we can find a Tundra here. If it doesn't have a Tundra, we're gonna try let me see, it doesn't have here, so it doesn't have a Tundra, but we can use that, either the Prius, nope, not the Prius. So we're just gonna use this all remotes right here, Toyota all remote. It has to be either 315 frequency or 533. So this one is 312, so we're gonna be using this one here. And let's try to emulate this and we'll see if we can get it programmed. Alright, so we got the emulator here. We're gonna try to program this first before we generate it to the remote. So we don't have to guess it if it's working or not. So we're gonna be using this Autel IM508. I already put it in on position. And while this is loading up, let's go. We can go ahead. As you can see, this one's not, if you press this, it doesn't lock and unlock right now. So open this up. We're gonna go I think it's the VIN search. There you go. Let's go to emo. And then let's go get this, accept. Let's go VIN search, auto detect, so it'll be faster for us to figure it out what kind of car it is by reading the VIN number. And then now it's reading the VIN number. There you go. That's the VIN number. Press OK. I do trust this one, so I didn't have to double check it. I've never had a problem reading the VIN number, so press OK. Let's go to control unit and immobilizer. Oh no, we're gonna go remote system, remote control learning. So that's what we're gonna do. Turn on the ignition and make sure the driver door is open. So we get the driver's door open, the rest are closed. So press OK. And then configuring the system, and then once they figured out what the system is, we're gonna do the programming here. As long as you're in on position, as you can see. Got 9 seconds, you can see right there, 7 seconds. All right, 2, 1. Establishing network. All right, it's going through. You have to be a little bit patient with this thing. So press lock and unlock button simultaneously and press the lock button. So what we're gonna do, press the lock and unlock together, and then press lock button. See that? Press lock and unlock. You can do it again, and then process success. Let's try that. It's a learning succeed, but let's try if it works or not, because this one works. See that? It's beeping. Let me see. I'm gonna try to this is lock and unlock. I'm not sure if this one is the right one. So this is not the right one. So what we're gonna do, we do it again. We're gonna do another learning. So that's not the right emulator, that's not the right FCC. So we go quit on this one. We'll try the next one. It has to be 314. Let's go to the this Toyota Highlander right here. So I'm gonna generate the emulator. I'm gonna go ahead, remote control learning. Make sure it's turned on, press OK. So now this one, we'll try this one if this is the right one. If it did not accept it. If it accepted it, you will hear that it will beep. Because the list doesn't have a Tundra in it, but some system will work to the other system. So let's try this one more time. So this time we're using the Highlander. So right now, getting the network, communicating. It's kind of like a try and error. I'm glad that we have to do this before we generate it. Okay, press the lock and unlock button. Okay, and press the lock button. Let's see. Say success. 1 second. Press OK. Wait 3 seconds. It did not do it. I don't think it does it. It did it. Let's try it one more time. Nope, not this one doesn't work. So we're gonna keep trying. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead, cut the key. Get a fine beating. And it's TR47. It's TR47. I think it's TR47. Let's go Toyota. Let's go to Toyota. Toyota. We got Tundra. We go Toy 47. Toy 43. Let's see. Let's see if it's what kind is it in the book. That's a Toy 43 right here. The list sheet is Toy 43. So, and this is, and you want to know how many bidding is this? Let's go to the next page. There you go. This is a 10 bidding. So you can see a 10 bidding. So Toy 43, you get 10 bidding right here. Click that one. And M1 clamp, 3 position. That's M1 clamp right here. So let's go ahead. Put in a tip 3. Let's go check this out. Open this up. Let's put it in third position. Third position. And then let's go ahead and get the clamp on top. Make sure straight, clamp it so it's not moving. There you go. And once we have that, go ahead, press OK and decode key. There you go. Let's go decode it real quick. Alright, so we got that. Let's go ahead and remove this. And then we're not using a flip key. I'll tell you later why it doesn't work. So we're gonna use this one, the OEM style. I'm gonna go ahead and clamp it. Let's go ahead and clamp this down. And then once that is good, let's go ahead and cut a key. Continue. Let's go and cut it.
Pero sa tingin ko po, ginupera naman yung working visa or H1. May tendency na hindi mo na 2 years and this 1 year
Alright, so that's ready to go. Let's go ahead and clean it up real quick. Let's go ahead open this and let's compare it with the original one we have. They look about the same, so let's go ahead program this one. Alright, so let's go ahead check the key if it works. This is the original one. You go lock, let me see, lock, unlock, no problem. And this is the new one that we're about to program. Lock, unlock with no problem. And this one will not start the car because it's not programmed. I already programmed this remote. It's pretty easy. You just went to we just went to remote control learning and it will follow the process. I'll show you that. But this one, it will not start the car because it's not programmed. So let's go ahead program this. Let's go ahead program this other key that we have. Let's turn it on with the original key. Then let's go auto detect. We're gonna be using our IM508. Autel IM508, press OK. And then wait till command asks what to do next. This so what happened, you can't generate this to the flip key, so we're gonna be the OEM key. Press OK. Let's go to emo status scan, so we'll see everything is okay. Scanning, so you can see it's green, no fault code, so looks pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's go add key guided. Let's go start. You must have a master key. Press yes. Insert the learn master key and turn the ignition to on. So that is on. And then press OK. And then it's performing. Succeeded. Key learning. Remove the key, insert the key to be learned, and keep the ignition to off position. So let's remove the key, put the new key, to put it in off position, and press OK. Then wait the lights goes out, learning succeed. So we're gonna find the lamp. I wonder where's the lamp for these. This is the lamp here. Let me find the lamp. I believe the lamp is somewhere. Let me see. Okay. I'll just press OK. And then I'm gonna find the lamp. See, the lamp is right here. Let me see. The lamp is still here. So we're gonna wait till that comes out. But it's still blinking, so I'm gonna restart it. Let's start over again. I'm gonna put the original key, turn it on. Okay, press OK. Insert the master key, turn on, OK. So The lamp is right here. As you can see, the lamp here is off with the master key lamp. So once you prompt us to remove it, put the unprogrammed key, press OK, and wait the lamp to goes out. And this might take about a minute, sometimes 10 minutes. So we're just gonna wait till that goes out. I probably will pause the video and show you that it will go out. Once that is out, we're gonna press OK. Alright? Alright, so I haven't pressed the OK yet, but as you can see, the lamp light goes out. So I'm gonna press OK, then that succeed. So what we're gonna do is we can try it, take it out, try to start it. As you can see, the car started, that thing is out, the light's out. So we got this one working pretty good. Let's go ahead and try the lock and unlock. Lock, that works, and unlock works. So there you go, guys. That's how you program the remote and the key with this 2018 Toyota Tundra. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video, share it. Till next time, guys, thank you for watching.